Hi dear students, thank you very much in joining our course. In this course I will teach you what is the link building. Search engine optimization is the most important part of link building. First off, come in your mind why we use link, what is the links, what is the important of links, why we use on the links. In the search engine optimization is the main thing for improving your websites in the search results. When you are going to find some websites, they show you result. uh, Many web pages show the top, first, second, third. Every page they display on 10 websites. You can find these are first one, who is the first page, first ranked, second, third. It's ranked on the Google according to the value and how much website have value, how much they write contact, and how much they have backlinks. These all factors going to measure by the Google and Moz. These are, and the importance of the backlinking. Let's uh, know what is the backlinking. Links. The backlink is created when one website link to any other website or web page. Any web page link to any other websites. These are backlinks. Suppose are you click any websites, any link that automatically open any other websites. These are called links, backlinks, without entering the name of website in browser. It is called the links. Backlink, also called inbound links, are incoming links. Backlinks are important for the SEO. It is the very important for the search engine optimization. The search engine optimization have many factors: on page SEO, off page SEO, technical SEO. In the off page SEO, the most important factor of the backlinks, link building. The current now the search engine optimization and SEO have about 200 factors, and 40% of that factors is the backlinking. What is the backlink? Backlink is important factor for the search engine optimization. The SEO have more than 20 factors which can help to rank website. About factors, they have 20 factors and 40% play role in the backlinking. The backlinking is important role to play. The backlinking help you. Backlinking show the some one website to link another website. Suppose the website A is have external link to B website. These are called the link buildings. Help in the image are you looking, that's how can the rank one website showing to another websites. That's all. Here is also give some links. Website A to going external to B, they have link. When you click on the link website A, automatically it open the website number B. The link building terminology. What is the link building terminology? Link building terminology use anchor text website using hypertext. It's using with anchor text to open that websites in hypertext. Why important? When talk about the backlink, why important backlink? Backlink is the most important factor of SEO. SEO have more than 20 factors which can help web page ranking, and about the 40% I discuss about it. It is the terminology of do follow and no follow links. What is the do follow links? What is the no follow links? Two factors come in your mind. They are websites linked to other websites. The two types links comes. One is do follow, other is no follow. Links crowd and indexed by search engine and pass equality to the destination page. These are called follow links. It is give value the link to other websites. They share equality, pass equality on that websites. It's called do follow links. vs no follow links. No follow links are crawled and indexed by search engines, do not pass equality to destination page. They do not pass equality, they do not show value and do not share their page authority to that websites. That why call these website no follow links. What is the domain authority? You may hear domain authority, the page authority. There are two factors in domain authority and page authority. Domain authority called DA, it is start 1 to 100 depending on the factors. Backlinking, and it is the most important factor, is backlinking can improve the website domain authority. Without backlinking, the website's domain authority cannot be improved. What is the page authority? Page authority have PA. It starts 0 to 100 websites. It's internal link factor. It's internal link factor. When you open your websites, any link you click, that's open other website. That page on your website open any other page. There are many type of links. You click on the top, you can go to bottom. If you click on any page, that's open any other page. These all called the page internal linking and page authority. These are. Thank you very much. See you in next. Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning link building, search engine optimization. In this chapter we discuss about how many types of backlinking. The backlinking is the most important part of search engine optimization. Here we discuss about how many types of link building which can help us to rank our websites in top search engine results. Because without the search SEO and search results ranking, we cannot rank our website without backlinking. The types of backlinking, when you get down, there are only main two types of backlinking: do follow and no follow. A person dealing a website will never see the difference between do follow and no follow backlinks. Suppose you are visiting the websites, you never observed which is the do follow and no follow links. When you click on the any website, any area that's open on another side, these are the called links. There are do follow and no follow. Do follow share the juice website to your website. It means they support your websites in the quality and ranking. No follow, it just give you reference but not share juice or any kind support on your websites. There are few main type categories of the backlinking. How many types of backlinking? What is the guest post? The guest post, you can request any website's owner, do you want to share your articles on his websites, on her websites? If he or she accept, then you can write articles. They give you topics, or you can write related his websites. then they maybe accept your articles, and you can just share one or two links in this article. When they publish article on his websites, you can get one link from that websites. It's depend, they give no follow links or do follow links, but few of websites on our webmasters charge for guest posting. Second is W2 websites. They are the few websites which are the Blogger, WordPress and others. They also support your websites for domain authority. Third one is the form backlinking. You can submit the forms, different forms available, discussion forms, where you can discuss any topic. They open on their websites many institutes, organization or big websites available forms, discussion forms, where you can discuss anything and share your website's link. They also give you help to rank your website. The other one is the comment backlinking. There are many websites which in the article you can read the complete articles, and the article they give comment sections where you can give comments about articles, any suggestions, anything would you like to give, any information related to that topic. And you can also add your website's link reference on the comment. They also support you to rank your website. Other is the social profile backlinking. There are many social media websites like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, where you can make your profile and give your website URL. These are also support you, give you backlinks from their websites, but they mostly give no follow links except the guest posting. The others mostly do follow links, depend on the website's owners what kind of links they provide you. Thank you very much. I need your support and feedbacks. Give your suggestions. Thank you very much. See you next video lecture. Hi dear students, you are welcome to SEO link building. In this course we discuss about link building. I am talking about the analyzing quality of links. How can analyze the quality links in the search engine optimization link building? There are few ways which can help us to analyze quality links for our websites. How to analyze quality links of websites? Link building project with SEO. You must be sure your links will not only have impact today but will continue to have a positive impact in future. When you take links from anywhere, any websites, you not focus on today and also analyze the future impact of the websites. That means understanding what makes a quality links and why. Let's take a look at the element analyzing which are there are few things before you analyze the link building. Relevance, link type, authority. Relevance: when you take links from any other websites, it must related to your websites. Suppose you are the vegetable seller, so you must take the link from village who sell the vegetables or any related to vegetables or fruit shops that can related to your domain. Link type. We discuss the link type. There are two types: no follow, do follow links. And authority. You must know the domain authority. What is the domain authority of websites? The relevance. Let's discuss detail in the relevance. Relevance: a link will at best be upper quality and a worst negatively impact your SEO effort, potentially results. The must be relevance your products and your domains. It can impact good on your websites. Type of links. Link type is the second consideration when analyzing a link. This means both way the link is formed and manner which is the link, both which make difference in the quality. The types are very important for link building. Suppose anchor text link, clickable text, the link anchor text, naked URL. These are the types of links. You take links from other websites, you analyze what kind of links they are providing you. Anchor text link, naked URL, like you can see http://www.examples or admissionbs.com.pk. Citation link, image link, short link. These are link type which the webmaster or web owner can provide you. Authority. Authority is the next metric you will need to measure in the order to determine link quality. When you take link from any other websites, the authority of domain is the very important. If your website domain authority is 30, so you must take above of your website's domain authority links. It's give you good reference. This way, in the past often being placed above relevance. In today the link building world, authority is the still impact link a metric. However, the link isn't relevance. The domain authority is the very important, because in the real market, any authority person or who have good customers, they reference any customer for your website, your shop. The customer must be trust and can buy anything from your shop. Same work on the link building and search engine optimizations. Authority. Suppose the domain authority is 132, domain authority is 35, page authority is 42, and other website domain authority 89. These are the domain authority of websites. Suppose the admission BS program is the B website, and other one website is C website. They both websites give link to the Computer Teacher Institute of Modern Technology. You can find these both are websites share their link to this websites. You can check how can impacts these websites. These are the websites, both are giving the links. DA of website is 35, P is website, What is the DNPA? Domain authority and page authority. They both are share their uses of that website, and they provide link to the Computer Teacher Institute of Modern Technology. No follow links. Mostly no follow links you can get on the social media websites like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. These are the social media platforms where you can get no follow links. Mostly they provide no follow links. All social media platforms can provide you links and traffic, but they not provide you do follow links. We are going to check the domain authority of websites. Check domain authority checker. You can Google find the domain authority checker. There is a website smallseotools.com / domain authority checker. Here you can click on the domain authority. You can find the domain authority of website like 9 domain authority, page authority 33, and Moz ranking 2.30, IP address and more. You can find any website's domain authority according to your requirement and easily can find it. Here's no follow links. We discuss about no follow links, and you can check other website domain authority like and newyorktimes.com. We check the domain authority of the website. Domain authority is 95, page authority is 87, and Moz ranking 8.7. The New York Times is the most powerful and most have good traffic. It is the 95 domain authority of this websites. If you have any query related this topic, you can ask me. Thank you very much. I really need your help on feedback, which encourage me to add more topics on this course, and your suggestions really help me. I really need and read your feedbacks. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture. Hi dear students, thank you very much for joining our course. In this course I will teach you backlinking, keyword relevant links. What is the backlinks? How can we identify link opportunities? How can find relevant websites? How can get backlinks for high domain authorities? How can check websites, DA and backlinkings? In this chapter I teach you step by step how can find we high domain authority websites which we have keywords. Suppose we are going to have 10 to 5 keywords for our websites, so we want to backlinks for that keywords. With help of that keywords we can find relevant websites and check that relevant websites domain authority, page authorities, and then can check the how many websites linking that websites, how many websites share their domain authority to that websites. Let's go on practical checks. Here we come in the Google. There is in the Chrome browser we have installed the extension of Moz. You can install it, find on the Moz extensions which available all freely. You can install it. I can active it. When I click active, then suppose we're going to open one keyword, admission in university. that keywords I open. When I click that, you can see the here all websites that show page authority, domain authority and links, which websites related to my keywords I am going to find. Page authority and their website have only 2 links. A domain authority 29, can check. Depend on the keywords, you can find which high domain and high website is going to rank that websites. Then you can find that export analyze SCV. When click on it, export all data on the keyword related we are which going to find. With that keywords you can find position, website number 1 and title which going to link that, description and page authority, that's total link, how many links, how many backlinks that website have, total links they are not, domain authority is that. You can find that how many websites linking that website which are going you find for backlink opportunities. You can analyze there about your topics. One thing you check that websites related to your website are not related to your website. One thing you now need check which website is the government website, e-commerce websites and other websites you have. There are many lists depending on your selection comes. I have selected about 50 websites which displaying on result but showing 39 domain authority and page authority and link extensions, how many websites link. Then here you can also find 2 or 3 depending on your choice keywords, and same process you can follow. Find and download the data. Just I guide. Here's you select few, 1 or 2, 3 depending on your choice. Which are you going to select? I check you not select high. Suppose that one have more 7,482 links. It is high, and also that is high from Wikipedia. That's you can select depending on your key competitions. Check 62, 84, 26, 54, such kinds of websites you find out there's how many links, and you can find who is give share authority and domain authority to these websites and give that value. They increase website domain authority and website authority. I have click and check one website from that list. Let's see this website I have selected. They have domain authority 29, page authority 36. How many website link from it? 32 websites share their videos on that websites. Then here you can select which kind of links you want check. Mostly find follow links here. active, which are active, and here option is you can select all, and one link from per domain. Here you select one link per domain, it is give you just one link. You can find which website is going link and share their domain authority to websites, and you can reach out these websites. Also you can take backlinks, inbound links for yourself, such kind of websites. One is that they have shared their domain authority and website page domain authority for that, and giving the backlink for that websites. Your competitors, they have 28 page authority and 42 domain authority. Before you starting, you analyze your keywords and find out which websites can help you for domain authority and improve your website's ranking. Then you try to reach out these websites and take backlinks from that. One is that websites, they have 27 page authority, 26 domain authority. Other is a that's not so high, but in start you can take from it. That also have 13 page authority and 14 domain authorities. Others also low. Such kind you can try practice and take many find many keywords and practice same according your keywords and requirements. You can find your list of websites who are linking your competitive websites, and this list can help you and can reach that websites and try to get links from these websites and can improve your domain authority. Thank you very much. See you in next. Hello dear students, thank you very much joining in this course. In this course I will teach you about link building and what is the do follow links and no follow links. What is the important do follow and no follow links? Links are HTML attributes that used to allow search boots to follow the links. If webmaster link your website with do follow or no follow, search engines boot people can follow you. They pass link juice and really benefit for website to get hiring. If any webmaster you getting from link from any other website, they give reference your websites with do follow links, it mean they share juice on websites. Link juice, it's mostly in called the digital marketing and search engine optimization link juice. They share link juice to your websites that give high page rank. If you get do follow from any relative your websites and high domain authority, high page authority your sites, it's give value your websites. It can says in common life, if are you new in market, you have open any shop, like you have open a shop, barber shop, hair cutting. Are you new, you have style new stylish modern stylish, you can design the colors in modern styles. If any old hairdresser come customers and that hairdresser, so they refer some customer to you, that's give you value. Google also such kinds and give you values, and the customer trust because they some else refer you to that shop, that give you value some. That's Google also observes has a real life check. If some else give you value and refer you their customers, so must be you have good quality that article, that topic, so that can improve your ranking. What is the do follow? Do follow links are that attributes used to allow search engines, search boots to follow the links. If webmaster link your website, do follow links, search engines bots, the people can follow you. They pass links juice and really benefit your website to get high ranks. If some website high rank to give you do follow links, the Google can give you domain authority and your website can rank easily. How can give do follow links? Do follow links we can use in HTML, href, ahref, https, admission, bs.com, admission. If anyone link click on the admission, so automatically that link go to admission bs.com. That is the do follow links. Do follow links are links that can help increase page rank, gain more SEO points, and boost link juice that makes your site high ranked. Do follow links are real vote to credibility in Google. It can says you wants. Someone can want any candidates that give the Google want to value your websites that can rank more high ranking. No follow links. No follow links don't allow search engines boot to follow your links. It's not allow boots to follow your link. These links don't pass on link juice. Only people can follow these links. They don't help you boost page rank, website ranking, and have no SEO value. It's notice the search engines not count these links. They not give value your websites. It's give some of value, but not so much value how much they give do follow links. You can it's 20% and 80% do follow links, 10% such kinds you can use it and give some value, but mostly not share their domain authority to your websites. And how can find the domain? That link is no follow and do follow. href rel no follow, href, https, admission bs.com, admission, and university. These no follow tags can used for SEO. Most webmasters use this tag not to follow unrestricted contents. These links belong to paid links, forms, blog comments, etc. Such kinds of websites they can find. How can find websites which provide no follow links or do follow links? There is a tips. It can help us. We can use the tool which we used in the search engines, like going to open the admissionbs.com. When it open, here can use the Moz extension. We have Moz bar extension. When click it, it's open. Now we going to open any article. When click on the article, can we find here highlight links? Click on the highlight links. Check the website give follow link, no follow links, external links, internal links. These are links you can find. When click follow links, can check the follow links the website giving to there. You can find these are follow links who provide websites in backlinks. These are provide follow links. It mean it share benefits to their other websites. GRE test. These are follow links you can find. These are follow links all. No follow links. In the website we can't find anyone no follow links. It means that website if give provide links some else, it's share their juice to that websites, and that websites can easily rank and can benefit from that sites. It means that website share their juice to that websites. It's help to increase that websites to ranking. Thank you very much. See you in next lecture. Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning SEO link building. In this chapter we are going to discuss about key position of websites, how check which keyword going to rank our website and which position. There are many tools available. With help of that tools you can check it. I am going to use the Simal SEO tool. When you open Simal SEO tool, here you come the keyword position. When click the keyword position, after clicking the keyword position, you come here, you can check it by keyword by URL. So I want to check it by URL. Click the URL and enter here your websites. Which website do you want to check and which keywords going to rank? Here click yes, I am not robot, confirm that one. After confirming that, click position, check position. Let's that process. After processing, they show the keywords, which keywords going to rank. Mizan Bank Net Banking, it is 75 volume 30. The link is that BMC Seeds Distribution 15, position 15 and 30. The third one is Limino 9 Real Estate 34, traffic is 90. Cadet College Online Admission Form, its position 57 and 57, position is 40. At BMC Entry Test MCQs 12. Why to study medicine in Turkey? It is 45, position. Good laptops for online classes. It is 96, position. Copper, it's repair, I think. Copper repair technician training 98, position. It's just show 10. How to I become a computer repair technician. It is 76, position. Online class with laptop included. It is 96, position. With help this key you can easily find and make backlinks and rank your keywords and websites. With help this, and easily you can find rank your websites. That will help you. Let me check another websites. Just refresh that one. When I refresh it, I come the URL. Here select the URL, computer teacher, confirm, check position. Is there any keywords rank it or not? Let's check. You can easily check your websites or backlinking when you working on the backlinks. The new one I think isn't not show anyone keywords. Let's check any other website that not rank yet. Just URL. I want to check this one. This one not properly work, ranked. Just wait 20 seconds. After 20 seconds you apply for second one. Okay, just URL and want to check it. It is the free portion because they want to not provide quickly. You need to wait 20 seconds, then apply for second one. Okay. If you want to check your keyword, you also can check the keywords. Your keyword enter up to 10 keywords on the line. you can enter 10 keywords and select area which websites rank on this keywords. You also can check that. Suppose we want to any keywords, check which websites go to rank it. Suppose SEO link building. Want to check it in USA. How check it on the USA? Let's now 20 seconds pass. I come again. Let's check how check it. It takes few seconds to process result. Payback for middle school boy 47 position. Heavy duty paybacks for work 82 position. Best hacking payback 92 position. Best payback middle school 43 position. Laptop bags under 50 84 position. Waterproof travel payback 40 position. Best payback for middle school boy 51 position. Cool payback Reddit 39 position. Best back for university. You can easily check and easy make websites rank for your targeted keywords with help of this tool. It is very useful for SEO link building. If you have any query, can ask me. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture. Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning link building SEO. In this chapter we discuss about Href check website authority DR. How can we check website DR using Href? First off, we are going to open Href. Then you open Href, then website check authority checker. You come on this link. After that, which URL do you want to check? Suppose we want to check this URL. I have already completely write the URL of website https admissionbs.com. When you enter your desired URL here, after that come here check website authority. You can come here and click website authority. Here is the option I am not robot. You confirm that you the website want to confirm that any person are looking at there isn't any robot. So you can check the DR domain authority. DR called domain authority of websites showing 27. The domain authority is measure of website authority based on the backlinks profile. The scale run from 0 to 100. Generally speaking, and the higher number is stranger and more authorize the site. It's start from 0 to 100 and higher is more authority showing that's, and they show backlink profiles. They count backlinks profiles and measures the domain rating, like backlinks linking websites. How many websites linking this site? 206 websites linking on the admissionbs.com. And backlinks, how many backlinks they have? 8,191 backlinks available for that websites. And what is the percentage? 94% do follow links. 42% do follow links. Websites providing and links 94% do follow links provided. You can check any websites, same like we are going to check other websites. Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning SEO link building. In this chapter we discuss about how check DA of websites and which tools available to free check DA of websites. There are many tools available in the online, you can find it, but mostly easily available the SemalSEOtools.com. When you come SemalSEOtool.com domain authority checker, I open this one. You can browse the websites. Here they also give you option available. You can check 10 websites at a time. I just check one website now. After that we check other websites. Domain authority, DA of website. When you enter website, then come here, check authority. I click here, check authority of website. It show the website's URL, domain of URL admissionbs.com. The domain authority of website 53 out of 100. Page authority is 32 out of 100. Moz rank 3.25. IP address. These are the domain authority of websites. Now I want to check more than one websites. You can enter 10 websites at a time. I am going to check these: admissionbs.com, computerteacher.com.pk, noorbaba.com. These are few websites I want to check. Again you come here. When I come here, enter the domain authority. The domain authority, let's check the process. It takes few times. Just showing 3 websites. First one is the admission BS. Second one is the computerteacher.com.pk. You can check also these websites and visit. Third one is the noorbaba.com. First one is 53, 32, 3.2, and computer teacher also have 52 domain authority, 25 page authority, domain authority, page authority, 2.5 Moz ranking, and Noorbaba have domain authority just 9 and page authority is 20 and ranking Moz ranking 2. You can check any websites like this methods using the website domain authority check tool allow you to check DA score of website. Just copy desired your website URL and press button of here domain authority. With help you can check it. If you have any query related domain authority can ask me. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture. Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning SEO link building. In this chapter we discuss about how check backlinks of websites. If you want to check websites backlink, check backlink of websites. There are few tools available which help us to check websites backlinks. Let's check step by steps. I have opened 3 of them: Href, Neil Patel website, Ubersuggest and Semal SEO tools. I am going to copy admissionbs.com. I want to come and check backlinks for Href. When I come on the Href, I would like to check it. They confirm not a report. I click OK. You can see domain authority, domain rating and backlinks 8192 refer from websites 207 websites. These are websites which giving backlink to admissionbs.com. Domain authority is 80, 29, 8, 6, DR 77, UR 32, 35, 90 and 60, 22, 68, 84, 35, 61, 82, 81, 80, 46, 79, 77. These websites going backlink provide admissionbs.com. Now I want to check it from Ubersuggest. It's take few seconds to process and show us the result. You can check it without sign up, and if you sign up you can also find and use many features of that. It's take a few seconds to process and show you the result of your website's backlinks. You also can check it no follow, do follow. These are no follow providing links, and few is do follow, no follow. You can check all which provide you no follow and do follow links. These are links. They are processed. Let's check this one, admissionbs.com. I want to confirm that I am not robot. Check backlinks. Still they process. They show the domain rating is 23, referring 1.6k, backlink 2.27k, to 1.2 212 referring domain, 240 IPs referring different IPs. Do follow link is 1.7k. No follow links, that's these are 58. It depend on the index of website, which are they index. These are no follow, these are follow links. You can check follow and no follow links here. That's help you to understand which are provide you follow links and no follow links. It's show about 10 links. You can also download in the Excel format, share reports of your websites. You easily can check it according to your requirements. And how many websites providing follow links and do follow links, you can check easily, and you target and try to contact if you want follow or do follow links. How can make links for your website easily? You can help check your targeted website and easy can find backlinks of your website. These are the link. Which keyword targeting admission in university, admission.com, admission in university, career development seminar. You help of these websites, you can check your websites backlinking. Thank you very much. If you have any query related this, you can ask me. Thank you very much for your valuable feedbacks and suggestions.